Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Spanish in 5.
We're Alex and Maya, and we help you learn Spanish in short, friendly episodes.
Each episode focuses on one topic with simple explanations and real-life examples.
Today's topic is travel Spanish.
These are useful phrases you can use when you travel to a Spanish-speaking country.
That's right, in hotels, restaurants, shops, and on the street.
Let's start with greetings.
The most common greeting is hola,
Hola means hi or hello.
and you can use it any time of day.
Right. For the morning, we say buenos dias.
That means good morning,
In the afternoon, we say buenas tardes.
good afternoon,
And in the evening or at night, we say buenas noches.
good evening, or good night.
Let's repeat those together.
Hola,
Buenos dias.
buenas tardes.
Buenas noches.
Very good.
Polite words are very important in Spanish.
Definitely. Spanish speakers really appreciate good manners.
Por favor means please.
Gracias means thank you.
De nada means you're welcome.
Disculpe means excuse me.
Lo siento means I'm sorry.
Let's have you repeat those with us.
Por favor.
Gracias.
Disculpe.
Lo siento.
Great. These words are small but very powerful.
Okay, now let's look at some useful questions.
First, probably the most important one for travelers, ¿Dónde está el baño?
That means, where is the bathroom?
Another useful question, especially for shopping, ¿Cuánto cuesta?
That means, how much does it cost?
If you need help in English, you can ask, ¿Habla inglés?
Do you speak English?
And if you don't understand, simply say, No entiendo.
I don't understand.
And if someone speaks too fast, which can happen, ¿Puede repetir, por favor?
Can you repeat, please?
Let's repeat a few of those key questions.
¿Dónde está el baño?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
¿Habla inglés?
Okay, great. Now let's go to a restaurant.
Yum. First, you ask for the menu.
El menú, por favor.
The menu, please.
When you order, you can say, Quisiera una pizza.
I would like a pizza.
Or another simple way is, Para mí, una ensalada.
For me, a salad.
When you finish, you ask for the bill.
La cuenta, por favor.
And if the food is good, you can say, Está delicioso.
It's delicious.
Let's practice a few of those.
El menú, por favor.
Quisiera una paella.
La cuenta, por favor. Now let's go to the hotel.
Okay, when you arrive, you can say, Tengo una reserva.
I have a reservation.
You can ask, ¿Hay Wi-Fi?
Is there Wi-Fi?
A very important question.
If you need something, you can say necesito.
Necesito una toalla.
I need a towel.
Or, Otra almohada, por favor.
Another pillow, please.
Let's repeat those.
Tengo una reserva.
¿Hay Wi-Fi? Necesito una toalla. Okay, let's try a short conversation.
Listen first, then you can repeat after us.
Disculpe, ¿dónde está el baño?
Está allí, a la derecha.
Gracias.
De nada.
Now repeat after us. Disculpe, ¿dónde está el baño? Está allí, a la derecha.
Now it's quiz time.
Answer out loud if you can. First question. How do you say thank you?
Gracias.
How do you say please?
Por favor.
How do you say where's the bathroom?
¿Dónde está el baño?
How do you say the menu, please?
El menú, por favor.
How do you say I have a reservation?
Tengo una reserva.
How do you say how much does it cost?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
How do you say excuse me?
Disculpe.
And last one, how do you say the bill, please?
La cuenta, por favor. Excellent work.
So today you learned a lot of useful Spanish for travel.
Greetings, polite words, questions, restaurant phrases, and hotel phrases.
These are phrases you can use every day on your trip.
Practice a little, repeat out loud, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Thanks for listening to Spanish in 5.
In the next episode, we'll practice many useful Spanish phrases together.
Keep learning, keep practicing.
Hasta pronto.